Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the 10th question of exercise 12.1. So it says in the adjacent figure, the length of AC equal to 6 centimeters, length of AB equal to 5 centimeters and angle BAC equal to 30 degrees. And we need to find the area of the triangle. So in the previous questions, they directly or indirectly gave where the 90 degrees are positioned. The right angles are in the triangle. But in this triangle, there is no such information given that angle B or angle C is the 90 degrees. So we can't directly use any other formula. We need to use the formula of the area of triangle, that it would be half into base into height. So we know the length of base here, that is AC equal to 6 centimeters, and we need to find the length of height, that is, let's draw a perpendicular line from B onto AC. Let this be some BD, and we know now, since it's perpendicular line, that would be right angle at B. So if we find the length of BD and input the information into this formula, that is half into 6 into BD, you would get the area of triangle ABC. So now we need to find the length of BD. So since BD is a perpendicular line, we know that we have right angle at D, and with respect to triangle ABD, so in triangle ABD, angle D equal to 90 degrees. So we need to find the length of BD. With respect to angle 30 degrees, BD is the opposite side, and the length of hypotenuse we have equal to AB, that is 5 centimeters. We don't have the length of AD. 6 centimeters is the length of AC. So in triangle ABD, we have angle 30, we have length of hypotenuse, that is 5 centimeters, and we need to find the length of opposite side. So we'll use the trigonometric ratio of sine. So in triangle ABD, sin A is equal to opposite side, that is BD, by hypotenuse, BD only. So hypotenuse, that is AB. So we have angle A equal to 30 degrees. So sin 30 is equal to BD we need to find, and AB we have 5 centimeters. So now sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to BD by 5, and if I take 5 to the left hand side, I would get BD equal to 5 by 2, that is 2.5 centimeters. So now I found the length of BD. So the solution is half done. We found the length of height, we have the length of base, and here the only thing left is to find the area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, that is half into AC into BD, which is 1 by 2 into 6 into 2.5. We found the length of BD equal to 2.5 centimeters. So now 2 3s are 6, and 3 into 2.5 is 7.5. So this will be 7.5 centimeters square, because the dimensions given in the question are centimeters, and the area would be centimeters square. That's it. So in the triangle they gave the length of AB, AC, and we found the length of height to find the area of triangle. We use the formula half into base into height. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for the next one. Thank you.